in Australia, anything you sell online has to have GST as a component to it. So if we were on amazon.com.au, that price there would be inclusive of GST. So you need to consider that when you price your products. All products on Amazon are inclusive of any taxes, particularly GST in Australia. Now there is, I can show you because I was only looking at this the other day. So this is the page all about GST on Amazon. I'll give you the link for it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Send to all, there you go. But effectively, you need to, Amazon will charge GST because they have to. So you need to price with that in mind. They will simply add GST on. Now, if you haven't purchased anything from Amazon in Australia yet, and you plan to sell on Amazon, I've got to say, you really ought to buy something from Amazon so you understand how it works. I mean, it sounds obvious, but if you're going to use the platform, buy something from somebody on amazon.com.au and you will understand how that process works, and it will give you a much greater insight for you. Don't just buy something on your PC. Go to your mobile, buy something on your mobile phone too, so you can understand how that works. Buy some stuff on Amazon. Be an Amazon customer. It is important that you do that. It's no good. Zig Ziglar used to have this great story about the sales guy who couldn't sell any pots and pans, and Zig went round to his house, took a look in his kitchen, saw that he wasn't using the pots and pans to cook with, and instantly knew why he wasn't making any sales. It's because he wasn't using the bloody pots and pans. It's the same on Amazon. If you expect to sell things on Amazon, but you're not buying things yourself on Amazon, that kind of defeats the purpose. It's kind of not going to get you where you want to get to. Be a customer of Amazon too. I buy shitloads of stuff on Amazon. Technical term, shitloads. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.